Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to change the brightness of your image. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to show my screen with Photoshop. So now, as you can see, a picture I already opened. There's save folders. One, two, three. I'm going to show you three ways to change the brightness of the picture. The first of all, I'm going to make a change in exposure. Just simply open up your image. And the right button here, as you can see, half circle and click and then make new adjustment layer and exposure here. Just click. Okay. A little bit I need to explain beforehand. Just open up here and just click whatever you want to. And then first of all, just click here to unlock, then make it layer, not background. Oh, by the way, okay. Okay, just go back here from half circle, and I've already created exposure, new layer, new adjustment layer. And as you can see here, the exposure offset and the gamma corrections. Just predominantly, you're gonna make changes here, just exposure here, bright and dark. And from here, preset, you can select different ways to make the change. Default is default. And the minus and minus and plus and plus. Minus means just minus, it getting darker. And plus means getting lighter. That's one of the two. So normally, if you take photo, the photo is going to be dark, just plus 2 or 1, and it's bright, it's too bright, like overexposure. You gotta put like a minus 1 or 2. Okay. The next one is I'm going to make also new adjustment layer from the right bottom. You can see half circle here and the brightness and the contrast. And there's two bars and increased brightness. You can see it getting lighter and getting darker. And this contrast, you can increase the contrast and decrease the contrast. Okay. And as you can see here, the auto, just click and just the Photoshop calculates good exposure. I mean, the correct exposure and then make it happen. It's easier also. It can brightness the contrast, and then the last one is curves. So also same stuff from the right bottom, just create new adjustment layer and the curves. And now here you can see like RGB and just click the make a dot, just one dot in the center, and then bring it towards up and image is getting lighter and lighter. There's too much and bring it down. Okay. And if you bring it down, it's getting darker and darker. And then when you make another dot and just make low contrast and then high contrast when you're getting down. Okay, there is one more function of curves. All right, now RGB and then click in the red, green, blue, and I'm gonna put red and just click the one dot and increase the number of red and getting reddish and bring it down and the image is getting blue and bluish and also green, increase green and decrease green. And default RGB, and this function also has auto. just click the photo and then make it nice. Okay, there are 3 ways to change the brightness of the image. Okay, I'm gonna stop my video and now you can go. Bye.